Oh no. Oh no. Oh, they're crying. Look, you catch the bird, babe. Oh no. You gotta help it. Yeah, they're crying.
What happened last time? Very messy situation.
Oh no, look at all the birds. Jeez. Gotta help him now. I think he died for the salmon, that's what happened.
Babe, you got one on your line.
Oh, go. Go on my line. Right now. Yeah. So sad. Sad. That's sad. You gotta help that bird, babe. Help that bird. Careful, careful. Careful. Yeah, be careful, be careful. And you gotta help him. You have to help him, babe.
Yeah, he got off, he got off. I got my trace back.
Everyone is crying for him. Look.
Yeah. Bring your fish in. Hey babe, here's your fish. You're gonna let him get away.
Big one.
Is it? Sure it's not another bird. I can't see it, I can't see it.
It's the valley.
There he is. It's a salmon. Oh yeah, go babe, go babe. Babe. Well done, honey. What catch of the day. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice salmon.